Welcome to the future of business projection. Meet the Optoma AZH500, an eco-friendly projector delivering maintenance-free reliability. Designed for smarter presentations, need maximum performance in minimum space? The AZH500 is 34% smaller than previous models, while maintaining powerful professional performance. Compact size, professional impact. Experience next-generation laser projection. DuraCore Laser technology delivers brilliant Full HD images with up to 30,000 hours of maintenance-free operation. Reliable performance for years to come. Lower energy, higher performance. The Optoma AZH5 reduces power consumption by up to 45% compared to lamp projectors. Save energy while delivering outstanding presentations. Innovation meets sustainability. Made with up to 50% recycled plastics and packaged using up to 97% materials, the AVE Energy technology built with the environment in mind. Smart connectivity for modern workplaces. Built-in RS-232 control and integrated speaker make monitoring, management, and presentations simpler than ever. Bring every presentation to life. Enjoy crystal clear Full HD resolution with exceptional brightness for sharp text, detailed charts, and vibrant visuals. Present with confidence every time. Dependability you can trust. Mercury-free laser technology eliminates lamp replacements, minimizes maintenance, and keeps your meetings running without interruption. We are exploring the future of presentation technology and reliability. It is designed to make every meeting more productive. Experience the difference in your boardroom today. Today, we introduce a solution that redefines business projection. Sustainability, contact KBS Enterprises today.